Now, it's been just over a month since the mass shooting at the Walmart in Chesapeake. A gunman killed 6 of his co-workers, and now 3 other employees are suing the retail giant. News 2 reporter Brendan Ponton got a response from Walmart and has the latest.
A memorial to the victims remains here in the parking lot of Walmart, as now we're getting a better understanding of how Walmart is responding to lawsuits filed against them by employees.
In a $50 million lawsuit, Brianna Marie Tyler alleges Walmart was negligent and says the company knew about issues and complaints made about the shooter. She spoke with reporters shortly after the shooting.
I looked up and my manager turned around and he just opened fire on everybody in the break room. And it is by the grace of God that a bullet missed me.
Tyler is one of 3 employees suing Walmart. She says she hurt her legs while escaping from the gunshots and says a bullet even went through the hood of her jacket.
I literally looked at him. I saw the smoke leaving the gun, and I literally watched bodies drop.
And now Walmart is responding to the lawsuits. In court documents, they say they're, quote, appalled and horrified by the shooting, but say the cases involve workers' compensation because they involve employees injured while at work. The documents say workers' compensation are the, quote, exclusive remedy for the injuries. That would mean the employees get paid for medical expenses or lost wages as opposed to damages in the lawsuits. That argument matches what happened to a lawsuit filed by families of victims of a mass shooting at a FedEx facility in Indianapolis in 2021. A gunman killed 8 workers. In October, a federal judge dismissed a lawsuit against FedEx, saying the case involves state workers' compensation. The issue has been written about and talked about in the legal community. Forbes published a piece earlier this year by a lawyer talking about the hurdles employees face when suing following a workplace shooting. And a Reuters article noted one of the Chesapeake lawsuits could face legal obstacles. So far, a federal judge has not responded to Walmart's arguments. The store remains closed while the community continues to process what happened there last month. In Chesapeake, Brendan Ponton, News 3.